Hello, this video is about the recent changes to VAT introduced in January 2015 for the digital place of supply. Now this is a big change for any business, and particularly a small business that makes e-services into Europe. Now the big change is that from 2015 the place of supply for digital services is where the customer is located. Now for big companies that's not so much of a problem. HMRC have a mini one-stop shop system, so you don't have to register in every European country. An issue though for smaller traders, possibly below the VAT registration threshold, is what they do. Now either way this can't be ignored. Now it does mean that a digital service, for instance a download, anything that's done automatically without human intervention, that then is deemed as supplied in the European country where the customer is. Now the business needs evidence of that. Till the middle of 2015 HMRC are willing to accept evidence from the card supplier, but after that, particularly for small businesses, they'll need two independent pieces of evidence as to where the customer is. Now for businesses below the VAT registration threshold there's a bit of a problem. It was thought that by registering for HMRC's mini one-stop shop, or MOS, they then become VAT registered for everything, including the European and UK sales. HMRC say that's not the case, but it's subject to particular requirements when registering for their MOS system, so a small business needs to be very careful. But either way, from 2015 all businesses now, when they make a digital supply into Europe, have to account for VAT at the customer's VAT rate. And as I've said, the MOS system is essentially a clearing system that allows the trader to put in a MOS return each quarter, each calendar quarter, and allow that, which is a lot easier than having to register in each individual country, which is fine for big companies but harder for small ones. So the big question is, what should a company do, particularly a small one? The first thing is it can't be ignored. If you are making digital supplies, you have to have a system to account for the VAT where the customer is, either in the country or under MOS. And for small businesses particularly, they should seek advice from their professional tax advisor as to what their position is. Thank you very much. More details are available on a fact sheet on my website.